Naghain na ng manifestation in lieu of petition for registration sa COMELEC ang United Bangsamoro Justice Party o UBJP. Opisyal na rin na pinangalanan ng partido ang 14 nominees para sa Regional Parliamentary Political Party kung saan number 1 nominee si MILF Central Committee Chairman Ahod Balawag Ibrahim at second nominee si Education Minister Mohagher Iqbal. Ang News Now sa report.
Pinangunahan ng kasalukuyang Speaker ng Bangsamoro Transition Authority, Muhammad Yaqub, ang paghahain sa COMELEC ng manifestation in lieu of petition for registration ng United Bangsamoro Justice Party o UBJP araw ng Sabado, April 4.
Na we able now file the party candidate na under the leadership of UBJP. Ngayon ay na-file na ang lahat ng 40 party list under the UBJP party under the leadership of our chairman and president of the UBJP, Ahod Balawag Ibrahim.
Bukod kay Minister Iqbal at Speaker Yaqub, kabilang din sa nominee ng UBJP ang ilang kasalukuyang miyembro ng BTA Parliament. Kabilang dito sina MPW Minister Edward Guerra, Ali Sulaiman, John Anthony Jetlim, Shai Elijah Dumama Alba, Raisa Jajuri, Ahmad Abbas, Lanang Ali Jr., Abdullah Hashim, Abdullah Makapaara, Baileng Mantawil, Amir Balindong, Matarol Estino, Suharto Ismael, Benjamin Loong, Eddie Ali at iba pa. Hanggang bukas na lang April 7 ang ibinigay ng COMELEC sa lahat ng political party at sectoral organizations na gustong lumahok sa BARM parliamentary elections para maghain ng kanilang petition for registration at manifestation of intent to participate. Vermon Calis, iMinds, Philippines.